Let us solve a question on ISLM model. This question was asked by a brother on WhatsApp. The question is like this. Consider the following economy. C is equal to 100 plus 0.8 Y subscript D. C denotes the consumption function. Y subscript D is our disposable income. Okay. Investment is being given as 500 minus 25 I is the rate of interest. Government expenditure is 50, which is autonomous here, and taxes, which is lump sum, which is also 50, and real money supply is 200. Money demand is y minus 25 I. Okay, calculate the ISLM curves. We have to calculate IS and LM curves, and also calculate equilibrium level of output and interest. How do we solve this question? Let's try to find out. Okay, so first we will try to solve the IS curve. Okay, so to derive the IS curve, what is IS curve? IS curve shows us different combinations of rate of interest and uh, income where investment is equal to savings. And how do we calculate it? Let us write it. We write our national income identity, that is Y is equal to C plus I plus G. Okay, so our income is equal to consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure plus government expenditure. Okay, so let me write it here now. So our Y will be equal to consumption function is being given us as 100 plus 0.8 Y subscript D. Okay, also we are being given the investment is 550, that is 50 minus 25 I plus the government expenditure is 50. Okay, that means our Y will be equal to 100 plus 0.8. Now what is Y subscript D? This is disposable income. We know disposable income is equal to our income when we subtract the taxes. The tax rate is being given us as here 50, so I can write Y minus T plus 50 minus 25 I plus 50. Okay, so disposable income is nothing but when we subtract in taxes from our income, we get disposable income. So Y will be equal to 100 plus 0.8. Y minus T is being given us as 50 plus 50 minus 25 I plus 50. Okay, so we have here 50 50 50, sorry, 100. So this becomes 55 गए हाथ था गई जहाज. So we have 200 here plus 0.8 y. I will write it as it is 0.8 y. Now 0.8 into 50, 0.8 into 50, so this is 8 upon 10 into 50. This gets 8 5s are 40, so we will get here 40. So we have, actually it is minus now. Okay, minus 40. Okay, then we have minus 25 I. Okay, so y transposing this term to LHS, it will get subtracted. 0.8 y is equal to, now 200 minus 40 is 160 minus 250, sorry, 25 I. Now when we subtract 0.8 y from y, we will get 0.2 y should be equal to 160 minus 25 I, or our y is equal to we have 0.2 can be written as 0.2. We have 0.2. If I transpose it here, it will get divided. But what is 0.2? 0.2 can be written as 2 upon 10. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. This is 1 upon 5. So in place of this 0.2, we have 1 upon 5. Okay. So, or I can write it like this: 0.2 minus 25 upon 0.2 I. Okay, or y is equal to, when we actually this will get divided, 0.2 will become 1 upon 5. It will become something you know, 0.2, what is 160 into 5. Let us calculate. 5 zeros are 5 8s are 40, 5 in the 5 6 5 6 are 30, 5 ones are 5, 6 7 8, so this is 800 here. Okay, minus 25 into 5 is 125. Okay, I hope you know this basic mathematics here. This is our IS function. You can call it IS curve, investment savings curve. Okay, and it shows negative relationship between rate of interest and level of income here. Okay, now to calculate LM curve, why do I calculate? Let's calculate it here. So LM curve can be found by, so LM curve shows us money market equilibrium. This IS curve shows us goods market equilibrium, okay, or product market equilibrium. Money market equilibrium occurs where our money demand is equal to money supply. Okay, so money demand is being given us as y minus 25 I, it should be equal to our money supply. Money supply is being given us as 200. We have real money supply here. Okay, so we have y is equal to 200. Transposing this will become 25 I. So this is our LM curve. Okay, now equilibrium occurs. Let me draw the graph also to make the things correct here. So we have graph like this. We have rate of interest on vertical axis in our lagunata b hoi color, or level of income. Our IS function is downward sloped, so this will be like this. This is our IS function. Our LM function is being given as, let us write it here, LM function. Okay, now our LM function has positive slope 25i. Here we have negative 125i. Okay, so to find the equilibrium level of output and interest rate, what we do, we equate ISLM. We know that at equilibrium our IS should be equal to LM. Okay, what is our IS is equal to 800 minus 125. LM is 200 plus 25i. LHS is same. We can equate RHS. So that means 800 minus 125 I is equal to 200 plus 25 I. So this is 800. Transposing this here, 800 minus 200 is 600, is equal to, we have minus 125 I. Transposing, it will become plus 125 I. So this will become 125 plus 25, this becomes 150 I, or value of I is equal to 600 upon 150. So we have this 15 ones are 15 fours are, so we will get equilibrium rate of interest is 4. Okay, so we got I is equal to 4. Now what is then equilibrium level of income? Just plug I is equal to 4 either in IS or LM curve. So let's put it in LM curve. That means our Y will be equal to, let us denote it as Y star, is equal to 200 plus 25, the value of I, which is 4. So this becomes 200 plus 100, which comes out to be 300. Okay, so equilibrium rate of interest is 4 and equilibrium level of income is 300. Okay, so this is it. IS curve shows us different combinations of rate of interest and level of income where our investment is equal to savings. Okay, on every point on this curve. And similarly, LM curve shows different combinations of rate of interest and level of income where our demand for money is equal to supply of money. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.